Alright, where we left off at the other day, we've got quite a bit of him finished here. I'm going to move that just a little bit. We did the little tie. I'm going to just get that tie kind of, it's a little bit too wide at the top and stuff like that. Alright. We put on a little tie on him. And we worked on the shoes. Just going to kind of get that stuff off of there. Alright, now let's go ahead and go in between the shoes where the crouch area is and go ahead and make him a crouch area. Make a little cut in there, okay? And from each side with the tip of the knife, we just come like this. And that makes our little crouch area there. See that? And then I always kind of come to the edge of it and make a little cut there and make a little cut there, and that's kind of the pants legs, as we say. Make it a little deeper if we want to. Doesn't matter. To give it that little crouch area look. Now, I'm just going to kind of take a little wood off in here. Now, let's go to the back of our figure, and we need to finish this up. Let's go ahead and draw our little arms up here. We want to make a cut down, and then we want to come from the inside here, not the outside, but the inside, and make a cut. See that? We want to come from the inside and make a cut. Alright? And then let's shape the arms just a little bit. They're too square. Let's kind of give a little roundness to them. Okay. I'm sorry. Shape this just a little bit as this arm goes in here and this one goes in here. And take a little off right in here. Just kind of bring that down. Bring those. Bring that arm down. Get some of that. And then we want to make our little cuts, our little elbow cuts, kind of like crow's feet, right in here where the elbows are. There we go. See that? We're going to do it over here too. We're going to make our little cut. Make another one like that. It's sort of like crow's feet on eyes. And I'm just going to kind of come a little bit deeper in this area in here and take a little bit more off so that arm stands out even a little bit more. And I'm going to do it a little bit more over here. There we go. Well, that arm sticks out just a little bit more. Okay? Now, let's go to the back here. And let's take our pencil. And let's go to the middle here and let's draw a little line up here where the legs come together. And we're going to make a little cut just like that. And on each side we're going to make a little V cut and separate those legs. And I'm going to come in here just like I did with the front and cut a little leg area in here. There, see that? Where it makes it look like pants come up. Just like that. Okay? Alright, now I'm going to take some of this rough stuff off here. Just go a little bit like that. Took a little bit too much and I need to cut that shoe back down a little bit. All right, looking good. Okay, I'm gonna just, see, I'm just using the tip of my knife. I'm just making my little cuts right in there. Just getting a little. And let's go ahead and make our shirt here. Let's just go ahead and just come across here with the shirt and come across from this side with the shirt. Well, this is a little bit lower, but I'm just going to make a little cut right there and just come up there and take a little bit off there where there. It separates the shirt from the pants. And I'm going to do the same over here. Alright. Just separating the shirt from the pants a little bit. Now I'm going to come in the back here. I'm going to take this just a little bit more off like this. Just a little bit too thick back here. The pants kind of cuff. I want to say cup, but it's cuff up. And then I'm just going to draw a little line between the pants and the shirt. I'm just going to make a little cut in there and come from the shirt side where it sticks inside and there, just like that. Now, a lot of people scoop a lot, but I always come back and I start making these cuts on the pants to kind of give it that look. Wrinkle look. Just like that. And I'm going to do it from here. Just take small cuts. Don't get aggressive. And here. And there we go. Now, we're just going to kind of have him with a little tie on. And what I also do with this tie, you can see real close here, I take a little, I kind of go up like this, take a little triangle like that, in other words. And I make a little cut here, and I mean a light cut, a little light cut here, where it kind of comes up like a triangle. And then I come from the bottom here and I make a little cut so it looks like it's kind of, there we go. See that little, just that little, I hope you can see it. It's kind of hard to see it. I know. Just got him a big tie on. Looking snappy. Just drag my knife a little bit and get a little bit more out. Okay, now let's go on back to the face and finish it. Okay? Alright, on this ear, we're going to round it off a little bit, so we just take the edges off down here. Alright. And I want to bring that ear down just a little bit. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and take a little bit more where the hairline comes right in here. And let's sort of round this off just a little bit in here where the head is. And you see how this separate, I mean this is tire. We want to bring that down just a little bit where it looks like the head meets with it, so like he's bald. There we go. Now you can go further back with the hair, it doesn't matter. Or it sort of gives that look.